Okay. Now coming up to cover letters. How important are cover letters? Or now in some application forms they call them supporting information.
Yeah.
और एडिशनल अगेन उसको नॉन सीरियस दिखाते हैं मगर आई थिंक दैट्स वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट्स
Yeah.
ऑफ द एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म
100%. In fact, I was sitting with a director of growth for like really one of the big tech companies. He said, it's very interesting. He said, I don't care about the CV or not. मैं तो पहले cover letter पढ़ता हूँ. Cover letter में जितना, because everyone puts effort in the CV, but the person who puts effort in the cover letter, no, that's the person who's gone one step ahead. So there are a lot of senior level professionals that I've spoken to, and I was in an HR conference a while ago. There is a lot of support for the cover letter even till date. The history of cover letter is quite interesting. It came up, back in the day when didn't have computers, so लोग अपना dossier लेके जाते थे jobs का, उस पे cover letter पहला document होता था. Now it's changed because now people don't need a cover letter technically. So I get the, it's insignificant. But people who really want to like catch the right candidate, they read the cover letter to see बंदे ने कितना effort डाला है यार. And so if a person is not even willing to put effort in the cover letter, what effort will they put in the job? That is the kind of generalized statement around that. So getting it right is important. It cannot be a summary of your CV. And most log nahi padhte. Most recruiters want to read it, but they don't read it because they get bored of it. Right? So जब आपको पता है कि यार आपको पढ़ने का मन है, you want to know about the candidate, but you know वही same लिखा है, वही same CV copy paste कर दिया है, पैराग्राफ बना के, तो क्यों पढ़ेगा? So is it insignificant? No, because most people want to read it. They will make an attempt to read it, but they will just not finish it or read it through because it's boring.
So I mean, in my experience as a hiring manager, when I've had to do it a few times, my focus has been on the cover letter.
Exactly.
मेरी expectation ये रहती है कि जो keywords मेरी job description में है, वो keywords, वो चीज़ें इसने उसमें आंसर की है कि इसकी CV, एप्लीकेंट की CV जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन से कैसे मैच कर रही है. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू फाइंड आउट. इफ दे कैन एलैबोरेट दैट, आई एम हैप्पी विद इट. इफ दे कांट, देन आई एम नॉट. I mean, that's been my view always.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, it's important that your cover letter does not end up becoming a summary of your CV. The biggest red flag in your cover letter will be, I did this, and this. पढ़ लिया CV में यार, दोबारा क्यों बता रहे?
Why
Right. So the thing with the cover letter needs to be that it provides an additional polish to your CV. Now, how can you do that? I mean, there are a lot of ways, but how we do it is we use a custom GPT that is trained to sound like you. And basically parses your work experience, parses your job description, and rewrites it in an engaging way. So we 100% use a custom GPT for it. But you need to use it smartly, as we discussed. Now, say if you don't want to use the custom GPT, right? Your cover letter one should open up with a very strong hook. An example, there are two ways of doing it. If you think the company is professional, use the professional hook. If you think the company is like, slightly laid back.
Sorry, for people like me, what is a hook?
So a hook is the first line in your cover letter that'll make the recruiter be like, oh my God, this is good. I want to read further. Or, oh my God, okay, different. Or nice, good candidate, One
Something
line.
catchy.
Yeah, one line that'll make that emotion come out, right? Example. So there was one of my candidates who wanted a job at Cadbury, like really fascinated. His introduction was, ever since I was 3 years old, it was Cadbury, the brand that kickstarted my enthusiasm about manufacturing, because I saw my favorite chocolate and I wanted to understand how was it made. And that was it. अब वो पढ़ते, that's called a personal hook, where you bring in a personal element to your cover letter. Recruiter was like, oh my God, बंदे ने effort डाला यार, बंदे ने कुछ different लिखा, तो मैं पढ़ूंगा आगे. So that is the key there. So one, it needs to have a strong hook. Personal, professional, you decide. Second, it needs to touch upon the three most important critical skills that are mentioned in the job description. So say job description में 3 critical skills हैं: Power BI, SQL, and stakeholder management. So your cover letter needs to address them as 3 bullet points, telling me about one experience of how you aced those skills, right? So for example, अगर मैं stakeholder management की बात कर रहा हूँ, so my cover letter will have a point on stakeholder management dash, it will give me 3-4 lines of one experience where I absolutely smashed stakeholder management. उसमें भी I'll follow the same format. What was I doing? How did I do it? उसमें I'll talk about stakeholder management and the result. ऐसे करते करते I'll give 3 points. And that's how I would do the entire thing. And then I would close with a very, very powerful closing line. So this will not be more than 400, 500 words maximum, 1 page. And you close with an absolutely, killer closing line.